This is an Air King model V20E reversible box fan. It's got wood grain paint on it. Has a 2-speed reversible General Electric motor. And according to that, it's rated at 2.8 amps. This thing does need to be cleaned, which I will do soon, but I wanted to make a video of it before I cleaned it. Alright, it's plugged into the kilowatt meter. Let's start it up on, we'll just do low, I guess, going in. And that's what we're at right now. It's not up to its operating speed yet. Let's just go up to high speed. .15 amps, 169 watts. This thing is really powerful. Runs nice and smooth on high speed. And go back down to low. Power factor is better on low speed. And now I'm going to go to off, and we'll see how long it takes to stop. Pretty good. And we'll go to reverse. Start it up on low this time. And it's not up to full speed, but that's what we're pulling right now. The amp button isn't working very well anymore. Let's go up to high. Back down to low. I'm going to have to take this apart and fix that amp button, because there was a time when it wasn't working and I was able to clean the contacts off and it started working again, so I'm probably going to try doing that again. I'm going to take the grills off this fan and then I'm going to clean it, because I want to oil the motor and clean it out. So there's 4 screws holding the front grill on, one in each corner. So let me do that, and then on the back, 4 screws as well. 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Both grills are out, or off, and the set screw is off. Of course the blade is stuck on there, so I'm going to have to use the puller. I got the back cover of the motor off. It's really not very dirty at all, but I just wanted to take it apart anyway so I can clean whatever's in there out and give it plenty of oil. The actual amperage for this motor is 2.1 amps. GE always puts the amp rating on the back half of these motors. I washed the blade off, and I took the front grill outside and washed it off with the hose, so it's running just fine. Start it up on high. Oops, it's not plugged in. Hang on. Alright, here we go. Here's high. It is all clean and oiled and put back together. Nice clean grill. Nice clean dust-free motor. Clean blades. I wiped off the inside of the cabinet. So let's start it up on high. I'm actually going to put this in reverse this time just so I don't have to back away from it, from the wind noise. Here's high in reverse. Hang on a second. There we go. And low. And once it stops, I'll show what the amp draw is when it's going up to high. Even after oiling, it still takes a while to get up to speed if you start it on low. It's just how this fan is, I guess. Alright, go to in and then start it up on high. Alright. Nice and clean now. Oh, there's a piece of paper towel in there. I gotta get that out of there.